Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to enable two-step authentication and verification in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to go and log into your account. So after logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can find all the options we can access such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started. Basically, what we want to do first is go right here to the left side screen on the bottom part and click the settings icon. After clicking the settings icon, this is now going to open up this new menu. All of the options we can access, you can see we have the general options, we have the plan, billing, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically, guys, what we want to do is go ahead and find this section right here that says users and permissions. So open up users and permissions, and this is now going to open up the permission settings of all the users on your website, and one of the options is going to be called staff accounts. Basically guys, as you can see, to manage the two-step verification, we need to have a premium plan, which I currently do not, and then you'll be able to access your staff accounts. As you can see in the Shopify Help Center, this is how you can enable two-step verification. We want to go to the settings and go into users and security. So this is what I have just showed you. Open up the staff accounts, and then under two-step authentication, you want to click change settings. So you can select that it's required for all users. This is where you'll be able to use that option that you need a premium account for. So you'll be able to find it here, follow the steps, and enable it. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.